Typhoon Lagoon. I'm gonna try Crush and Gusher. Sorry. This is actually my first time on the ride. So yeah. You might get a quick glance at some other riders who have been on the ride up here. And we're at the loading bay. Yep.
Everybody on line.
And here we go. Woo! And we're on crushing gushers right now. Holy moly! Turns! Roll ride! Whee! That's what I'm talking about. We're about to come back in. Please don't flip, please don't flip. Yeah! Landed! That was crushing gushers. Chute here. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Twists and turns are nice. You get wet, definitely a couple splashes on this ride. And here we are. Just came out. Kidding me. The boat hits me in the head. The raft, whatever you want to call it.
Alright, yeah. The Crush and Gusher coconut run here. Actually got in the wrong ride.